Take a look at these beautiful shrimp. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys were able to smell the smell coming from my kitchen right now. If you stay tuned, you'll be able to create this dish yourself in no time. So without further ado, let's get into this one pan dish. Roasted lemon butter garlic shrimp and asparagus. I've already started by picking up some jumbo shrimp, and what I've done is gone ahead and soaked these in some cold water in a colander to defrost them. You can also get these peeled and deveined, but for this recipe, I've gotten a pound and a half and I've already gotten them deveined and I'm going to peel them myself. Another quick way you can actually defrost your shrimp is to take them out the night before, put them in a bowl, and let them defrost in the fridge overnight. So to my shrimp, I've already added some garlic in, and now what we're going to do is go through the rest of the ingredients. Don't worry, I will link all of those in a blog post in the description box. To the shrimp, we're going to add in some salt, pepper, crushed pepper flakes, a little bit of paprika, and some parsley. We're going to add all that together in the bowl and mix it with olive oil and garlic. Once that's done, we are going to move on and do the same thing to the asparagus. The difference is we're going to add the olive oil, garlic, salt, and pepper to this. And then we're going to mix it and get ready to add those to the sheet pan. What I've also done before I've added these is make sure that I've sprayed my sheet pan with some non-stick spray. Now, with your asparagus, when you purchase them, if you have some medium to large size asparagus, you want to make sure you cook those for about 6 minutes on high on the 400 degrees. But if you have some that are a little bit thinner, you can go ahead and put that in for about 4 minutes. So we're going to get ready to add those to the oven and we're going to cook them for 6 minutes and check them out. Don't these look yummy? Oh my gosh, they're gonna be so good. So I'm removing these from the oven and we are going to put all of our asparagus to one side of the pan. Because we have a family of 7, I'm doing multiple pans, guys. So once you move all your asparagus over, you're gonna grab your pads of butter and you're gonna just top those on top of your asparagus. Then you're gonna add your shrimp to the empty area of your pan. So from here, we kind of have our shrimp added with our asparagus. It's already seasoned and it's gonna go back in the oven for 6 minutes until the shrimp are opaque and cooked. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of butter to the top of these guys, along with some lemons. Okay, so I've already went through and added my pads of butter. Now I'm gonna go through and add the lemon really quick, and back in the oven, these guys are getting ready to go. So remember, the temperature is gonna stay the same, 400 degrees for 6 minutes. And boom, they're done.
And this is what it looks like. It came out. They're nicely cooked and seasoned with some beautiful lemon flavor. Asparagus are glistening and they're ready to be plated.
As always, thank you so much for watching, and you can follow me on any of my social medias at Ellie Inspires. If you like videos like these, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments or questions, pop them down below. And until next time, be inspired.